truck. Alright, first you'll need some materials, oil, oil filter, oil pan, oil filter wrench, a funnel, and some paper towels.
Alright, first I gotta unscrew the bolt that took the bondage. Motherfucker. Now the oil is draining out now. Yeah, watch it if you want. It's pretty cool.
Clarity. Clarity. Clarity.
Alright, you gotta take a screw back on there.
Marry me.
Here, or your bolt.
Wish everyone could shake and play the tambourine perfect. I know I love you, I ain't tryna let those words slip. Pure bliss. I knew that we would stay together, we in cursive. Infatuation. When every single move you make is fascinating, gravitating towards anything that gives a sense of happiness. Activist, love activist, sending my love for girls who got some cuts at their wrists. Hope you find what you looking for. I hope you find what you looking for. Take away the pain and I thank you for that.
Alright, make sure it's tight, yeah. Alright, next thing you need to do is get your oil filter wrench and take off your oil filter.
I'ma be waiting for that. Misery. You represent love, you the epitome, so wish for me. I'll come out of nowhere, your epiphany, disconnect from everybody who don't understand my vision yet. Interject is where my mind is, so I light another cigarette to calm me down. So calm me down. Everybody who could save me now is not around, chop it down. Busy today, but can you tell me how tomorrow sounds in between? Purgatory ain't as bad as it would seem to be, live a dream. That's so cliche, but I can't tell you what it means to me.
That's how we do it, boys.
Make sure it's completely empty. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the box that you had the new one in. Oh yeah, it's clean, I guess. You throw it away. Next thing you're gonna do is get your oil filter. Take the new one out of the box. When you twist the cap, you gotta get some a little bit of new oil on your finger and run it around the seal. That way nothing can get in there. It's a tight seal. Just put it right up in there. Just twist it on. Just twist it on. Gotta put it on good hand tight. Then you gotta get your
oil filter wrench. Put it back on there.
Next thing you're gonna do, final thing, is you're gonna put your new oil in. So I'll run screwing the cap. Front on there. You gotta make sure you pour it nice and slow so it doesn't overflow. Start it up, make sure your gauge is all good and whatnot. Should get pressure. There, we'll make sure nothing's going on weird. Make sure it's not leaking in the front. So you have no leaks down there. Come over here and check your oil. Wipe it off first. Put it back in there. Pull it out. Look on there, make sure it's up to the full line.